My name is Pierre Plante, and I'm a business development manager with the ITC Canada team, and I'm responsible for developing net new business within the Canadian market. When not working, you can pretty well catch me playing outdoors, whether it's to either play hockey, soccer, squash, tennis, diagonal golf, which is how I work my way up the fairway, or swimming, biking, running, or training for an IRONMAN event. I'm in. I've also recently channeled my passion for health and fitness into a part-time fitness consulting business focused on helping people of all age groups and athletic backgrounds achieve an holistic lifestyle relative to their unique fitness and health goals. I've been lucky enough to have completed 6 marathons, one 70.3 mile Ironman, and one 140.6 mile Ironman event, and participating in this summer's IRONMAN Mont-Tremblant event, carries a little more emotional weight for me, as I'm fundraising for the Ottawa Regional Cancer Foundation. I'm sure we all have a story to share regarding a family member who was impacted by cancer. I lost my mom to terminal lung cancer back in 2012, and I miss her every day. And on her behalf, I continue to fundraise, to give back to the community that has supported us throughout our journey. And then shortly after completing my first Ironman in Mont-Tremblant on Sunday, August 18th, 2019, 3 months afterwards, I was diagnosed with colon cancer. I had 2 invasive surgeries in 2020, and then taking over 2 years to recover. And since having my mortality challenged, I'm very thankful every morning that I'm given the opportunity to see the sunrise, and everything afterwards is a blessing. So in closing, my words to you: keep your true friends and family close, live and be in the moment, laugh every day, love beyond words, and in the famous words shared by Dean Martin, you're nobody until somebody loves you. Anyways, thank you for stopping by and for your time today.